100, sauce it up.
What's up guys, welcome back. The quest for today is to give my headlights a new life, or at least try to give them a new life, because they are looking foggy and scratched, and the clear coat started to just fell off. It will be my first time doing something like this, so I don't know what to expect. It's dark, but here you can see where the clear coat is coming off, and also from things that I made off screen is tinted windows on the back and two side windows. Here you can see on the right is tinted and left is untouched. I also put the nitride sticker, and the little thing from the G fell off. Oh, and we need to finally take care of this, but I think we will do like whole body. So I'm gonna go take out the headlights and see you in garage. I'm telling you, working on this car is pain in the ass, 100%. Every screw, every bolt is different than the original ones, and if there is original one, it's so rusted that you cannot move it at all. There are 4 screws, and three of them are not the original ones. There is one original bolt on the right side. Guess what? I see only one option, or maybe 2. I'm taking this, and if this doesn't work, there is a drill battery charging. You want it open? You got it. So we're going to remove the clear coat, repaint it, and I have no idea what am I doing with this, but I will show you the hardware that I got for this, and yeah, we will see. So this is what I got: wet sanding paper. So you're supposed to dip it and soak it in water, and then polish, and then dip it again, so the leftover material from grinding gets flushed in the water, and you can again use the paper to scrape the surface. I got 2 pieces of different gradations. I have 500, 2000, 360. I have some glossy clear coat. Okay, so we are back to the state almost exactly like before putting the clear coat. So now again we will clean the surface, no nitro. We will let it dry so it 100% evaporates from the surface, and then we will try to put clear coat. So this is where we at now. Definitely looks better than this, and it's not yellow, so it will look fresh. I will do everything the same as this. Of course, we have the nitro. Here are 3 coats of clear coat. There are some spots like here and are still foggy. For a first time I think it's okay. Okay, so here we are with one headlight. Actually the second one turned out better than the first one. It's not perfect, but you know, somehow you gotta learn one way or another. Now we are going to put them in a car. And that's it. Actually, I've added one more piece of the cake to it, so one more random screw. Now I'm gonna put back together the bumper. I will go start the car and we will see how it looks with the lights on. So yeah, that's how it's looking, shining bright. I think that's all for today. One thing I forgot is to wish everyone Merry Christmas, but it's already after Christmas. But I hope you all spend your Christmas with your family and the closest one as I did. And the one I can wish you is Happy New Year, everyone. So that's all. See you guys in the next video.